Christmas vocabulary and significance. Advent calendar. Advent means arrival or coming. It is usually used to count down the days of Christmas from 1st December to 25th December. Jesus Christ. Every year we celebrate Christmas to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ on December 25. Christmas star. The Christmas star symbolizes the Star of Bethlehem, which, according to the biblical story, guided the three kings or wise men to the baby Jesus. Christmas bells. Bells are rung during Christmas to proclaim the arrival of the season and to announce the birth of Jesus. In ancient time, the ringing of bells also used to drive out the evil spirits. Christmas tree. Christmas tree is an evergreen tree, often a pine or fig tree decorated with lights and ornaments. In Christianity, it is the symbol of rebirth and happiness. Wreath. Together, the circular shape and the evergreen material make the wreath a representation of eternal life. It is a symbol of victory of eternal spirit over death. Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a legendary figure who is the traditional patron of Christmas in the United States and other countries. Brings gifts for children. Santa Claus is the symbol of giving, brings joy and happiness to everyone. His popular image is based on traditions associated with Saint Nicholas. Reindeer. The reindeer symbolizes creativity, resourcefulness, and knowledge. Also represents safe journey and endurance through travels. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, is the youngest of Santa Claus's reindeer. Snowman. Snowman was probably first made by people to scare away evil winter spirits. It resembles joy and love. Angel. In Greek, angel means messenger. Angels are the messengers of God. It is believed that the angels protect the human beings throughout the festive season. Elf. Elf helps Santa Claus. They design and make toys and gifts for children, look after the reindeer, and keep the sleigh in good condition. Christmas carols. A Christmas carol is a carol, a song, or hymn on the theme of Christmas, traditionally sung at Christmas itself or during the Christmas holiday season. Stocking. A Christmas stocking is an empty sock or sock-shaped bag that children hung on Christmas Eve in the belief that Santa Claus can fill the stocking with small toys, candy, fruit, coins, or other small gifts when he arrives. Sleigh. Sleigh is a mode of transportation specially designed to travel over ice or snow. According to the Christmas legend, Santa Claus uses a giant sleigh pulled by reindeer to fly around the world on Christmas Eve to deliver gifts to children. Few more Christmas vocabulary. Chimney. Fireplace. Gift or present. Pudding. Snowflake. Tinsel. Mistletoe. Eggnog. Gingerbread. Candy cane. Candle. Cake. Ornaments. I wish you all Merry Christmas.